Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account on LiteFinance, and I will show you today as quick as possible how you can do this. So first of all we click on registration, and then from here it's saying your country is Netherlands, broker services your country are provided by. Alright, then we do continue registration. Then from here we fill in our date of birth right there, and then we do continue. And then right now we need to fill in our email address and our password. So we will do that real quick. There we go. And then we do this, and then we do this, and then we do continue. Then they send an email to our email as a verification. So what we're going to do now is open our email address. And then from there we have the confirmation code, and then we copy it and paste it right there. Then we do check. And now we need to fill in our phone number. We can also click here on skip if you don't want to do that. And then boom, there we are. We are now in LiteFinance, and this is how you can create your account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.